Today I'm going to show you how to get live rippling data directly into your spreadsheet using Coefficient. Once you've installed Coefficient, launch the extension and select Import From. Next, you'll add a new source, search for rippling, and select Connect. To connect, you'll need to locate your rippling API key, and if you don't know how to find it, you can select How to Find Your API Key. We've provided instructions and a link to the exact page to help you easily locate it. Once you have it, you can paste it here and select Connect. Once the connection is established, the import preview will appear, and here you can start importing data by selecting the object that you want. You can import a wide variety of data, such as companies, departments, employment types, teams, users, and so much more. Given that some of these have confidential info, we'll show you a demo of list departments, but it would work the same way to list employees, teams, etc. So to import departments, I'll select List Departments, hit Preview, and review the available fields. These fields are pre-selected for you, but you can curate your import by selecting the fields that matter most to you. You can also rearrange the order of the columns by dragging and dropping, ensuring your data is organized the way you want it to refresh each time. Once you're happy with your selection, go ahead and hit Import. After the data is imported into your sheet, you can set up auto refresh to keep your spreadsheet updated with the latest data from Rippling. This ensures your data is always current without needing to re-import manually. Now that you know how to get started, you can begin pulling in your own Rippling data. We hope you give it a try for yourself, and thanks for watching.